In this video, we're going to show you how to properly check your vehicle's tire pressure. Tires will lose air through normal driving and pressure will lower when the weather gets cold. Start by checking the correct amount of PSI needed. You'll find this information on the sticker right by the door frame. Next, uncover the tire pressure valve cap. Using a tire pressure gauge, press it firmly against the valve to check the existing tire pressure. If the pressure is low, add more air until the tire reaches the correct PSI indicated for your vehicle. We like the digital pumps where you can easily set your PSI and the pump will automatically stop when it's reached. Attach the end of the pump hose to the tire valve cap. Then, set the desired PSI on the pump. Here we're setting it at 33 PSI as shown on the vehicle's tire information sticker. Once the air is filled, simply replace the valve cap. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.